Hello guys, so today we looking at Golf 2016 model. So customer complaint was horn not working and horn not working, all the multifunctionals which are not working. So as you can see, none of working. And when you start the car, so there's a airbag warning light on all the time. So you can see the airbag light on. So horn not working and all the multifunctional switches are not working. So we scan the system. So we got fault code for the control unit in steering wheel no communication, and lost communication with the steering column control unit active static. So lost communication with the steering column control unit. So this is a common fault for the steering clock spring. So today we're going to replace the steering clock spring. So we have to remove the airbag, driver side airbag. So in order to replace the steering column clock spring, so we had to remove the driver airbag, and you have to remove the steering wheel, and some of the cases we had to remove the steering column trims as well. So we'll see that. So to remove the airbag, we have to first we have to disconnect the battery with the ignition on to discharge the capacity inside the control unit to prevent the accidentally deploy the airbag. For the safety reasons, we have to disconnect the battery with the ignition on. So then after that we can remove the airbag. So we'll see how we're going to do it. So I forget to tell you one thing. So before we replacing the steering column clock spring, so we had to guide it with the replacing and coding control unit. So I'll show you that also. So that's the test plan for that. So coding procedure. So replacing steering column electronic control module J527. So now collecting all the codings and all the data from all the control units. So prior to replacing the electronic control module. So this is the electronic control module or clock spring. So because of this, the horn and all the multifunction switches are not working, and airbag sign also on is because of this one. So before replacing this one, so we had to do the before we replacing, we had to forward the test plan for the online coding. So it will record the all control unit, all the data, and after that it'll after replacing this one, it will record back into the new control unit. So another thing is I want to mention, so do not remove this lock. So PO2 installation, do not remove this lock. So after installation, only this one we can remove. So after that we can remove this one and put back the steering. If you remove now this one, so if we turn this on wrongly, so the ribbon inside, there's a ribbon, so ribbon will be break. So that's why it's come like this default position. Before removing the so what I'll done is I just take a little bit forward the steering wheel and took like more space. And also there's a, to remove the airbag, there's a two clips, so there's a no screws, so I'll show you that two clips. So it's a little bit hard to see, and I'll do my best to. So you can see there's a like metal spring. You can see the like metal spring. So there's two metal spring. One is over here and one over there. To remove the airbag, so we had to push it back. So I'll show you in a minute that one. So I hope you can see. So that's the metal spring. So you have to put screwdriver, flathead screwdriver from the upper part of the spring. So just put inside. You can see. I don't know, you can see. And press it up like that. Can you see? Press it up. Press it upward. So then, so when you pull up, so it will come off easily. You can see now it came off easily. So now I have removed two clips. So as you can see, I had to pop up to take out the complete airbag. I had to pop up this wire from there, and the yellow connector I had to remove. So first I'll show you how to remove that connector also. So it's not bad. So you just need the hook to remove that. Remove this connector. So grab the hook and put it into the connector, this white color piece, and pull it. So it's came easily, you can see. To remove this one, just need to press this piece. Came out. So it came out easily. So now to remove the steering wheel, I had to remove this 12M bolt. So just need to undo that and you have to take out. So there's one important step. So after removing this 12M bolt, do not remove the steering wheel until mark you steering wheel and the shaft, the marking. Otherwise you will put like wrong way, so steering wheel not straight. So steering wheel not going to be straight. So I'll show you that. So make sure steering wheel is locked position. So now easy to remove the bolt. So grab your M12 and just put it there and remove it. Yes. So you can see now, so I didn't put any marks, so there's already there's a mark, so you can see. So this is the steering part of the steering wheel. It's part of steering wheel, and there's a marking on there, and this is the steering column. So there's also mark. So I put like two mark, aligning mark. So when you fix back, put into the same position. So you don't want to do any wheel alignment or anything. So it will be okay. Put in the same position. So now I can take the wheel out. Yep, like that. Yes. So yeah, as I thought, so I had removed these two trims. So we'll see how we're going to remove that one as well. So that okay. So that lock to so this new one, there's a lock, default position lock, to prevent in turning this wheel like that. So if turn like too much of, like if it is turn like too many rounds, it'll break the ring inside. So now this one, I don't know, because of the ribbon or because of the circuit. So anyway, that one is gone. The control, the clock spin is gone. So this is the new one. So it's look like only one bolt to remove this column trim. So just, I think just that one bolt. So rest of the clips, so it's staying on the clips, I think. So we had to use our plastic tool to remove the trim. So I'm going to remove. So this one, this bolt is 20 or 25 torques. 20 or 25 torques. So it is 25 torques. So it is 25 torques. Torques 25. So this came out easily. Just put inside and just, yeah, right back. So yeah, so just remove. To remove this one, now there's a two more bolt. So not only lower part bolts, there's a two more bolt over here. It's a 25 mil. Yep. Yes. Came out. So this trim should be alright. So now to remove this, there's a few bolts. So 1, 2, 2, 3 balls. So when you remove 3 balls, you can take out the extend column unit, control unit. So before that, you have to disconnect all the connectors. So there's a I think there's a 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. So there's a 5 connectors. So this one easy, the yellow color connector. Just pull back this red color please, like this. Just pull back and push it a little bit inside and press, and same time take out. Yep. So this one also, you have to remove this red color. You have to pull back this red color clip. After that, a little bit push and press, and same time pull. It's a bit hard. Yeah. So this small connector, so you have to little bit pull this. You have to pull this small plastic bracket, and same time you can remove it. So this one I can't do it with one hand, so probably I have to stop the video. So it's easy, just pull back, and same time remove the connector. So you can see now, I just push it back and just give a little bit, it'll come out easily. So this one also same like that. Yeah. So this one also. Yeah. Came out easily. So this one. Now all the connectors are out. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 connectors. 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, 5 connectors. So 5 connectors out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm gonna remove this one. So this one look like 25. So I'm sorry, T20 short. So I'll put the T20. That's not the. So that's not the T20. That's the T15. That's the T15. 3 balls. So I'm gonna pop out now string column. Control it. Yep, that's it. So when you put it back, so you can see, so this space there and this one, it should be aligned with this one. Yeah, it should be aligned with string column unit. This one, it should be aligned with this plastic piece, should be aligned with here, and this one should be aligned with this one there. So that's it. So now I got the control unit, and I got 3 new balls also. So you don't want to put all back, all one back, all back. So I got the 3 bolts as well. So now I'm gonna fix the control unit. So as I previously described, so I'm gonna align this one. So actually, if you align this three bolts hold, so it should be aligned easily. So it's aligned. That's it. So then you can pop back the connectors. Yep. There's one more here. One more here. So do not forget to push back the red color plastic bracket. So now I'm gonna put the bolts. So just tight like so. This torque might be like maybe like 2 Newton meter or something, maybe 3 Newton meter, 2 Newton meter torque. So just hand tight it, don't over tight it because it's plastic. So I tight it back and it's properly fixed. Make sure all the connectors are in correctly. So next step will be to installing these trims. So now I'm gonna install these trims and I'll come back, guys. So I fixed back the trims properly. So next step will be removing this lock positioner, then after fixing back the steering wheel. So as I said before removing this one, so you have to fix back everything at the end of the job, fixing back the steering wheel. You have to fix you have to remove this one. So I'm gonna remove this one now. Yep, just remove the clip. I'm gonna install the steering wheel proper position. Back the steering wheel. So I'm gonna use new bolt, M12 new bolt. So torque specification 30 Newton meter and 90-degree angle torque. 30 Newton meter torque and 90-degree angle. So first I'm gonna the Newton meter, and I'm going to do angle torque as well. So before that I have to mark position. So hey guys, so I have now replaced the string column unit, string column switch or block, so whatever called. So now I successfully managed to code the string column unit for the control unit, so it's work. So I have restored the full course. Now there's no any airbag sign, and horn is working, and all the multifunctional switch are working. So switches are working, and so guys, basically that's it. So it's not like a hard job. So main thing is, so you have to take care of the new unit when you replacing it, because if you turn it like over, so it will break the ribbon. So like two three turns, it'll 2-3 turns, maximum 2-3 turns, it will break the ribbon. So you have to be almost careful. So first you have to install it, and you have to remove the locking position pin, and then you have to install the steering wheel. Another thing, so I have to do a road test to make sure the string is center. So guys, that's it for today. So I'll see you next time. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel. Thanks.